actually March, and that marks what we like to call Music in Our Schools Month. During Music in Our Schools Month, every single year we do our Lunch Concertet series, where all of our bands are going to come out and play for you guys. Today, we're going to get to hear some music from our Steel Pan Ensemble. So first off, you can give a round of applause to our Steel Pan Ensemble.